I first did this question, I tried to treat it as an arrangements question where all the different places that 5 could go. But to be honest, it was quite messy and I think I made a mistake along the way. So I'm not going to talk about that method. Instead, I'm going to talk about a much better method. And that is to consider the hours and then the minutes and sort of just, build up a picture of what's going on. So let's have a look at when it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Now we're not interested in the number of fives, but just when there's at least one occurrence. So it doesn't actually matter about the minutes here. We're going to get 60 times when we have 05. It's going to start with 00 and end with 59. And the same is going to happen when we have 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to get another 60. And those are the only times with 5 in the hours. So we can't get 25 or 55, for example. So let's look at case 2, 5 not in the hours. Okay, so now I'm just going to put little crosses here to indicate, yeah, we're never going to get a 5 here. Let's take a little look. So actually we're left with 22 other hours because there's 24 overall, 0, 0 up to 23. Now, how can we get 5? We could get 0, 5 or 1, 5 or 2, 5 or 3, 5 or 4, 5. And then we can also get it in the 50s. So 50 up to 59. I'm not going to write them all out. There's going to be 10 here from 0 to 9. And then there's 5 here. So overall, there's 15. Now, like we said before, there were 24 hours in total. We've dealt with 2 of them. There were 22 left. So for each of these 22 hours, there are going to be 15 possibilities where 5 is either um, either in this column or in this column, or indeed both for 55. So 22 times 15, well, 10 times 22 is 220. Halve that because of the 5. That's going to give 110. Add them together, 330. And we're basically there. We've got our 60, and our 330. So there's no other possibilities. We just need to add these together. 120 plus 330 gives us all of our options, 450 ways.